I started to make a test logic previously, and that was successful. So I then went to recreate the logic and make it specific to my setup. So the main thing that I had to change was the node number. The node number in the new setup was 30 instead of 2. The other parameters and functions of the logic and such were essentially the same. So as you can see in this fast-forwarded video, I am recreating the logic and re-emulating it, so to speak, and rebuilding it, making sure that there's no errors, that it runs correctly. Now I had to change my computer's IP address, making sure that it did not interfere with the IP address of the programmable logic controller. And so I did that successfully by changing it to I think it was 100. So after I had done that, I had to connect to the programmable logic controller, and I did that through an actual cable, network cable, and I was then able to go through the program and emulate the program that I just created. So here you see the red, which is false, so everything is off at this moment. And I can run the program. So what's going to happen is I'm going to switch the two switches on, switch 1 and 2. There you see they turn green. And so the timer starts, and once 10 seconds elapses, then 1 second. Now you see I had a problem there. I had not changed the information for the second network. So once I did that, I had to reconnect, download all, and run the program again. So here's the final emulation. And on the right, the picture-in-picture, you can see the different lights as I emulate. So I've physically switched on switch 1 and 2. The timer started, and now the values are changing because I am turning the physical potentiometer, which would be the field device values changing, and it's going, you can see it increasing. So the logic I have set up says if it's between A and B, set an alarm. If it goes over, shut down the system. And as you can see, it shut down.